Happy holidays and Giving Tuesday greetings. Hello, I'm Bryce Milan with Opulent Philanthropy Incorporated, an international nonprofit. We invite you to join us in bringing hope to families in the Jamaica community who are still struggling after devastating floods. Jamaica Disaster Relief Fund. We have provided shelter and over 250,000 meals during these disasters. Every contribution, big or small, will bring much-needed assistance to families. Here's how your donation can help. $25 can provide much-needed water. $100 can provide a care package with essential supplies. $250 can help ensure a family displaced by the flood has access to food and shelter. $1,000 can help ensure a family displaced by the flood has long-term access to food and shelter. The number of confirmed deaths from Hurricane Melissa in Jamaica rose to 45. The death toll is expected to rise, with officials still trying to reach 2 towns that remain cut off. The storm has displaced 30,000 households, with 1,100 people still living in 88 emergency shelters. Your gift today is more than a donation, it's a lifeline, a message of hope, and a promise that the children are not forgotten. Visit www.opulentusa.org/Jamaica and give the gift of hope. Happy holidays.